How's she going? Sunset here again, and this is going to be my attempted entry into Chaz 200 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations, Chaz, on your 200 subscribers. I apologize if there's a little bit of background noise. My kids are watching some YouTube in the background, so might hear a little bit of, might hear some noise, but whatever. It's all good. For my entry, first of all, I'll go over the lock. I've got a Brady 7140 lotto lock. It's a 6-pinner. Most of you already know. Let's see if I can get a good view of the key. There's the key. Works. I don't really have any fancy timer or animations. I didn't get anything out to have a timer, so I'm just gonna have to look at the time on the video to see my timing, but I think I should be good to get the entry in. The trick's actually gonna be on the gutting, since I don't have a proper follower. I've only got a follower for a schlag lock, and the only schlag I've got is my cutaway. So I'll be doing the gutting a little bit different, but I think it should work out okay. I have done it before. It's been a little while, so it might not be as smooth as I'm hoping for it to be. All right, so let's get into her. There's a false set. I think that's a set on pin 4, pin 5, there's pin 6, so it should just be pin 3 that's left. Let's see, can I find you? What happened there? I got a click, I didn't go back into a false set or an open. Something either dropped or maybe I overset. I think I overset. I got back into the false set, and let's see, who am I missing? There's the open. I think that was within the 3 minutes. Not 100% sure. And of course, I forgot to grab the screwdriver. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I thought I was all set up, and lo and behold, forgot the one thing I really need to do this gut. Honestly, the worst part's going to be getting it back together. And relock the core. Let's see if I can remember which of these is Oh, there goes the circlip across the room. I better grab that before I lose it. So what I'm going to do to gut this, I'm actually going to go ahead and remove the key pins through the inspection ports. It's key pin 1. Two. If I can get out. Three. 4, 5, 6. See if I can keep my some semblance of an angle here. Now this is going to be a bit of a trickier part. And I need to use the core as my follower. Let's get her turned 90 degrees there. Alright, so there is the driver in position 6, which is a spool. The spring. Five is a spool. It's just populated with the standard standard setup. Nothing special. So you'll see what I'm sure you're all expecting to see: spools from 2 through 6. Where'd you go? I think that's actually the 4th there. These tweezers aren't the greatest. Should have grabbed my longer tweezers. I'll get the springs out after. Alright, there's the spool. I think that one's for number 2. And that should be the standard for 1. Now, I'm not sure. Oh, must have popped into one of the other chambers there. Alright. So there it is. Standard driver in 1. Spools 2 through 6. So once again, Chaz, congratulations on your 200 subscribers, and thanks for doing the great giveaway. And I will be back again soon-ish. Have a good one.